Yes, I by the moon. I was here trying common so about quick reminders. Many Erastus bedid in commodity. I'm a catcher in the sector ministry, lands and natural resources. Deputy Minister Duka Anna in the Betrian Commod. Some quick reminders for you. Chairman Kutin, Central Regional Chairman, and me agent and name with this Kaiboe atu yenim. Say Nameya Adoma if you that way, and in the memory that way, the 24th and 25th of February, Nameya Adoma Chairman Kutin, you can see a dad and Nimino, Ninia Bema, and then the Wafasi, Ninia Bema, and then the Wafasi, into ye war Thomas Kwame Danso, Anna Philip Akwasi. Equia no. Inti saa nkofui erade to suffer on the 12th of July 2022 onyame Adom afina nhye nyina to akwema bosumi we ya de to so aduanu na 24th and 25th ewo asenjakai won bekwa kwotena ase na afi won ahwe na abusuafo agya won akili kwa ento won se adofo nyina se won enkoja won na won bo won akidom okwansoro nkoso Nisa pepe penso na Emmanuel Edu enso ne maame efrimu nyame adma enkrangza yefri efiada we anasa ehyehyeye no ebekoso na afi yera Dr. Prince Hamid Ama ono so mashebe dwani kwasi mentim onyame so eya adoma ono so de maame na wotwi awieye ana yebekwa akopɛ ne krabia 25th Saturday ti yenhye ne so na saa dofo ya bobo mu din nyina no yentimi enkoye ye kwa omano so quickly and say any sector deputy minister between komono ye kwa omano so quickly ne na kodi nkomo me nua kuma ono wo eye multimedia ya share ba kwa wo Asante Mantem eye Insurance Love FM obehwa enioma efa mining ho both legal and illegal no na namuntu ho aye ni so yi pa na aboama a shape a lot of commentaries Erastus Anapay, my chair.
Yeah, area.
Afi muni na me se me no kasa enti afishia panso me de be ma ho. Afishia panso.
Afisa se na hoden ho.
Amen. When you come on be answering deputy minister Redu ka be twetwe nkomo. You come on be you can central for in fact make us central near
online no wa tripa ti o kasa no metena chi
okay the be say ye be bomodi asa afro biem I was able to magina so here na yetimi ne edi nkomo yi say the be betinka ehia se edi sa nkomo evi say ono betime twamfonyina che o central ni baako a eba illegal and legal mining fapem ne mining ho nsensema waje breni adaje etimi edi ho eye enkomo yi nti ye hye ne so se sector minister ene deputy betnasia Redu kanso betnasia obenanti yemu ebra ye ka se ye ko atia efoma gudi ayentu a yentu no ne kwanso ene de esi etu ne kwanso baby e fafriye emu hawo ene kodanda ene baby a ya bedu no sa nkomo no ye bedi bra Redu kata Erastus so ultimate ye this time. Hello, Tim and Kaye, Erastus. Majority ya homa no nya problem. Erastus so Tim and Ka.
Metonga.
Okay, so as a misali say ya kwantio so far in a quest to fight illegal mining and promote legal mining. Sa kwantio no won what me di akire yi pa be si anopa aye kasa asentroni. So far who is saying
yo baby after my documentary no any discussions course no I'm out for sa man ki baby to say dumping pataho forest no ntia enya fi ho no na I'm out for start to say omuyi o mascabites ni nyama if you move now so there's November last year Panuano I'm out for videos and pictures the Bremeno Oma move other areas And to have a bit to say bonsa forest to be or bonsa side ho. A ho amafugum Chinese fugum. Obakaya a ho and a Chinese in India ebo bichu Ghana nichu. Oh that side no. I say oko wasa coupon wasa coupon enchi our wing side ho. Also, I'm out for sending me videos on daily basis. I'm out for Gumo. Oba Santabantem ha. Of one say, and new ensure and no, a chance of one say, and new so. Aside the whole, Manso, a Pamprama forest reserve, the baby or how my father sweetie. Now, forest Nakasa, no, they say, oh, my dear, ma, just ne family brio ha asepra eso e forest reserve apampramano forest reserve eti baby brio ha is still anya ntse omoda so omo ye adwuma afo baby to say tanon in forest akonta mine operations amafo no mukumu ho no ye report na ti no almost say omo fidie pie e ho de ye nya ntie bia so masa akobak eti mechanic say a quite so so ensure bia e become na say I started pro now have a bia e be bia ensure bia e become bia hono ahono top.
I see.
I tell say obi ehemu a oye mining
Edia na
eti enyaye edia baby ana ye koye e koba profile no and amafo yi o mu fidie efio.
Okay, so wo nantie mu no ede na kosoma no ye den se ye betimi afa kwan paso etu sa afo magudie a bribia da ye bo ho dawuro se yensuo ye kwayo ya pomudin o nioma bebre sa ya mfa kwan paso entu a ye de beba no ede na akoye osi akwan ebesi sa no pa ye kasa ebinim da so nya akukuduro efa kwati kwan so timi ye sa ade a ensem fatay
minia makano pen na message studia say obi ni wa oni tumi ana oni obi exenechi if you are buying more obetimi akosha forest reserve muso oye mining a oni kata obi ni ho a obeka say me ni panyimu bi e wa ban mu a obomachidom ana say me ankasa me ni tumi na obekwa akoshe forest reserve ma na obekwa akotuna sukese ho se oye mining because omo ni nti tiamra and omo ni se o start na sa soldier for beba so na police for beba so se woni obi obo chidom a ye besesa o machines na se besen and nti dodo na omo chef forest reserve mu ana omo ti sukese ho omo se no dey no dodo na wo panimu bi otanachi ada okwatumi bi edi na ti a ama omo ASI demand and no titiru and the main reason why I yet me tia no ne aka no ni ami hu no ye omo yisu champagne tete omo no ofin no eso no omo te last time I call ye no na ho champagne ye kind be to 200 and egunsu no so 200 more tete omo kusu bebre oko baby ti say abombe abesia empotam ho achumamponua edeba no omo kumu ho pa afi obo fo ase baby e ko nre na ho so champagne no egumpa na ni omo ye ne se omo ye champagne no bebre nipa ye hu omo ne manfra bi free enkan na aba e bi free Burkina e bi free Togo and omo di sa adwuma nto omo ne omo eche ho no ano na aka omo nto ma bom and omo di sa adwuma. Okay, so ko omo so a omo so wo ba omo ne majare eche omo to nsuo no mu a omo ko. Okay, me didi ye say local district assemblies, local authorities I was say yetimi de sobo kese pa bom because we MC, we DC, we head of DISEC, district security council. Idi koso won potem wona wonim eponum wona wonim ni pet ho se wontimi nyusu security agencies no e fan stop sa de no dia na me name the entire war as head of security. Adenti and district chief executives, municipal chief executives, or monitor security councils are no. I was some potem no. Abubo monse ku omachi na yetu near sensu. Obre tiamra. Eti me didn't yes say ya ready pa na say president I ready say or fight na say nya ekoso no say high as a buying as nipa dia. I was here started taking on some of these local authorities. I say Minerals Commission, I share Yahodwa, a war mentioning Munani, Mantam Munia, the other no, they are no more. Because almost supervisory role. Say Nipano license, I'm on a munim. So only license, I'm on a munim. So I did license, Grano, I'm on a was a for her said you might dear would you on. License our Giano, a hono yeno, a quamben offer so our yeno. It's Yamra and Yamra. DNA ya found. But it's a science institutions in the say, Ubia Tiada. It I say almost support to Mokajoma Kakra, and I say almost person may be found.
But
not it too, I'm against Ebuama Galancino, Ecosusa.
Okay, so I feel no Abeka and in your Bema Erastus and any train come or Love from Insurance, part of the multimedia group. Or your Centroni Papa Mapa, Nejume Diefa. A former good year to no Adom so cram and Yabas of 1 year P. Or that's one any DH, only an election come on. And see an era, Mireku, Deputy Minister, Lands and Natural Resources. Eti, baby, I will be doing Casana doors to change a former Juma, and I say, Yansu, or my name for no. Ye, a swording, any and temper, ye pesi cantino, anama, and a as a cono, Utio Casan Masi, a con, as a yanko. I said, Adiano, a man, your semi to tie off your flower, as an anonymous binomo, F4, the echo so, and all those things. I didn't have it to my car phone.
Nana, Libya, no, a bonnet of fun. Nipan Casati, my Mufona, I won't go to our one so, and you go in our Mundia, but don't want to near Cosono. It's either Omocasa, Jumani Ho, and he, a Mabuno, Adom Mujim, and Omuyebi. I say, a pennyfua, yet do matter, sir, Galamse, so I say it to no, my dano. I a Casatin on top on. It is a yet it's a radio near Casa, and now will be Apucha, a apple, as for chair, a Babacata, a Uncle Brano sono, edit letter in Sunaniati. Yes, you said Uncle Brano, a home free, baby is free neighbor.
Ah. It is sir, for you know, no craning.
Oh, Uncle Brano, a Bopunumu, a war, baby, I could jump for Nina, who said, baby, a friend of high tide, Bonnie friend of high tide, and for no bus or check a CFA, almost on the catcho. A bought a punsuno, a bed, Chifa, Uncle Brano, so calling him. Say, yes, sir. Who say insuraniate? My hold on Shrek at Rebito de Pia Naminu and Namiesa. As for Chena Bonas and Ponosa Chichua, a honor Wuku and Kubrano, Nifi and Casa, and Nea Meno Case. Opa Freudio estuario, and Kubrani upon no estuario. No catch and say, won't jump when you know Hono Fansando, never. Since you're not at the Senia, it will need on the Batwa 110. You see, ma ye distribute home. Ma fancy to say, ye data amount for. Ye data home.
I see.
Uncle Brano, a home a free a precia. Dominance, none important more. I'm a 40 galao. And I home free one there, but who's you now rebel?
I see.
Eti my fan ye Casatin.
Right.
Adiana Cosono, who says you now on a near me woman, a heavy metals, cadmium, arsenic, nomia the other, mercury, a woman. And nothing out the good in the biaswa, national. Say a coswa, yes, you a Ghana, Yinasa. Your future, and yes, no, near Seno, it's in my baban the baby. A beggar Crediania, body I'll be duo, and Potemo, and no buyer will be duo on Potemo. What a better man, so I'll go to traces of heavy metal, the woman will be a problem. enti enisa ye tena se ne ye de katatenten
okay
and we see a fear strengthen institutions are mining ho ban obi en kasa menye mining emrase fa no kwan pepe so enkoye no nsuo ho 100 meters between nsuo kese ene baby a we mining to where anyan ku chen uwia empanyifo hwese wakata so wa reclaim land no okọ enim minyi ni se we aye bibia things ye betimi ahwese amafo beye they are preventing omo akoshe forest reserve fifi no mu wia ye gudie no na so omo sa se asase no eja amna ne ade ade ku ho amwa obia
okay Erastus maybe that was name me da was ya na obi di asembisa abase me musa asenti nsuo no ahodo nyina wakọ aprobo no emu de won na ogiri se emu apagya kakra che se nsa kire aba nsuo ni kakra
afi na ye fi aprobo ase a ye sa ko back akọ he e fi last time ye no send nsuo ne tie ne mu kakra ya akọ ne de mi hu ni ate o.
Are you working in collaboration with the Minerals Commission, the Lands and Natural Resources Ministry, and our Continent as a journalist? Our specific interest. Which one is which?
Many scientists are holding my research into ensuing near my womb and I 87 Jumawi. Me and a company, Multimedia Group Limited, and Bomachi. Emma, yes, Jumain.
I see.
Me young are buying phobia or my friend said, yeah, if I say a proud bonabia, if I said, yeah, Okahona, Shehuna also one, Father Buanibia, Yina, and Obia reach out to me. Nipper send a message, cry, or move you. The DDS will be turned to friend said, Memaka home, Memphis, Shehuna, one, and come home. Baby, I'm at a no Memphama bois, Nayina, Yenya. Quite obedient, quite. Lemum, Samre, I make a say, many team, and a scientist, a hodwa, almost your war, Ghana, and a mere multimedia group, a bomachidom, a mere material.
Well, ne crack no, a bar a year, a former good year to Numa. A bit me, the end, a bit me, I can watch them say, Achia na emuye, and I say, with the Achia na ebukura. Which one is which?
Let me a case Oko Mansoa, DCO Hono, Mansoa Dubia, Ura Clement, Wabua, Ama, Yeriklimu, Amana, Yeja Hono, baby, Wamaya Katakata, so the topsoil Leguso. The board the reclamation, but Oyen and Kakaka, or pay amount for the seedlings, Opesu duty could be nominated at the also. Or pay, say, or mobile number one, my dear, a good sign. Oko baby, baby say, inch honoma, yo, a merbuno be home, dear Somo, say, Elmo Maquine, and Massadiano, and Coso. Abesia, and Ranty do a almost account, almost say, almost say, wow, the barbarian fine of honor, almost no day. Begin sending you a good sign. I will say, you know, a couple. Now, say, yes, Anthony, Emma will be a mayor to make I was ample time one. Make it easy a bit in your son.
Okay.
And no, and then I remember Jane say, a good sign, I'm a who ground that, and also bois, I'm a near Marcos.
Erastus, my menas, now cherry, me back, more than a more rem cacro as a mushika crana.
I guess I'm good to all. I thought baby, I'm a person, they put you in the way you move, they did the way you move. Okay,
you, Bedasi, or you are the best shape. So Erastus don't corner or the positives and the negatives in the fight against illegal mining or also the attitude to be or stress and ananum be on ma mushy actually and the any could see a manual for some quabe or mining move for be also at team move for every also most mushy actually and also a hard journey and also reserves forest nibo acquired bioma or you should do word yedidimunina. It's a collective responsibility. It's a buy any day also your dear, who seem to be a only be a cabibi, no what team didn't at Yaka say, Takwan Shem, Rashimi Deputy Minister, Lands and Natural Resources. Or agriculture person, so, or you create or a philanthropist, and also a year will be a na niji nkwada eho. The last time I checked, there's on orphanages bear for adwuma kese pa. Ma me fa energy same because ne kwan ba ko ho a wo su ene de me hu se ene nam social media na Philippo Sebo sunso abedia dance se sa kwan major road ba ene me hu se omugusu bibia ko kama e basa otena se pe onim se sa question me busa o de akukuduru be hia me timisira mo am na me mana kwa ba ni mi afo be kudu ka kwa ba fi chapa
majodo
Mr. Mireku
yankopɔ ne hu yɛ mɔbɔ
mi hu wache papa yes but they be that me hu moves se wo nyina Ghana na mo ba bia na wo gina constituency o ana se wo gina Kumasi o ba bi na wo se ba bi ye adwuma it's all good
umpai bonti
na me su boko
boko nyame na Adom yewura Samuel Abugina po na dodom bia reboa magana wafa ne tampe fra
constituency say
boko nyame
e kwa be na make wasem the agona dia
oye apemenim to takwa
okay
sisia Gabriel Koto na oye contractors awo wodo na woye djuma papa ma me gina we field na mbɔ wana abado very hard working contractors woye djuma baby na oye very difficult area botum se efado a ebre pa oye agona wasa agona area and waye ni ye sisi am waka ye yuma tenyim ho ho no nti message de yuma tenyim ho no nka enyim ya wonko ho na one level ho so kakra ma hen because complaints are minya ne doso
and then obi rezi on this what now is a very critical he say cars akese no onim hihye ya muni omubenya because they are the major users
absolutely right absolutely right
now osuro say yeah the say no omoa no sabe ya na fi asakofa problem ji o si hihye be na hihye bi wa betimi no ya
for now no hihye ya yebotum ya ye ni de yebotum na ya revamp yen rail lines
okay
say ye rail lines na because our haulage there were haul or bauxite na manganese na as if kwano da load no so nti si etum ye rail lines na as if ketike kwano da which is the ono be reduce the pressure on the road and ma ye road no po na load dey be on am do and the whole Ghana na trucks akase fa pa and there's always pressure on the road nti si etum ye train lines na you to maintain ye na sustainable which is the be reduce the pressure nti no ne da baka da jama menyim ne da na menye ye rapita amewu
okay
yezi nkomo how are able to quickly no ya ma real no from Suta to Takrady
okay
at least no I very stronger able to use rail no for the manganese na dem boboa
but oka constituency asemi na me won say text message me be the kind by the kind of very interesting. I say, Yemusa Ira Mireku said, this is from Kennedy or saying, Yemusa Ira Mireku said, Ucha Wanisha Wachia, 6 years Albert Naso, as an MP, as a deputy minister, as MPP member, our by us. Are you proud? Of course, how benefits are there called?
Very, very proud. Kwabena, Misha Seno, na Yehuda Yakichi. As Westerners and as Wasa specifically. Na ehwe njuma nyame na Adom mampanyi na nado danko akufo wabua ma yetum yeze akoho and other companies leader you need to show leadership other companies roboa this they highly impressive ehwe hen road mebe na uhuntuma kesepa from Nsuta to Nsuta junction nyame na Adom menyi manganese focus ya de no waye Nsuta to Nsuta junction just there they could do more you good yes when there one boy my into me and if you so but you go feel so say ma nanango no wha they call you mad basic school as a folk on if a whole post office on so no who nyina ye huntuma kra nyame na Adom on so ye gudu ko tala schools are ye da call or ye nkro do on podo wonka including community centers if baby bebre ho na wonyi baby mpa wo behiem so nyame na Adom ye provide the community centers in some of the communities if you so sports about if you sport if you astroturfs dompim or sunlight, and very critical areas. When you can say, yeah, another one was Simpa or Yastrotef. Oh, no, so you have to answer in Kuku na or yeah, Jumenjuma na Warboa. CC Amenyo Kase, Go Fields, once Wadaroma, or a 10,000 capacity stadium, on Chakra, Afiara, Yabo Commission, Commissioner, Ebo there, was a young far team, a foreign team, Embra, Namidima for New Ombo. Into your plan a day being a good foreign team, now Waba, they are commission, and it has underground facilities in a very big stadium. Yeah. Beyond that, hospitals, cheap compounds, Konswayima, hospital, yes, no, they fell as CCI operational. Yebeno, na Swayim, Eko, or clinica, Suta, Oyaro, Ugu, Basa, there, Swayim pa, and Mukons was a Takwa in Swayim. That when Swayim pa, na clinica will use, and the hospital, yes, in Hon, Mepede, Bokona Koshe. In Fisu, so, including town roads, I also so you could do, if in Swayim town roads, contractor no we delay. Then so ye bompa do besana wenya ho de na wako ehwe oye Simpa town roads so very soon the contractor will be on site or tum obeye drains no we jaya to ho Norika sikasam kakra but minister for roads and highways is in Koma is there now no is well equipped to go back to site.
No, so yanko next issue is now for main proper discussion. Darrow Kwesi Sean or say Nyoma Munune on the Dana Kuma so say quota takwa insurema de shebenya de ko UMAT and an upgrade of a year schools outdoor a takwa insurema.
Me feel they are very critical the takwa insurema for Onyamfaso or university hall, and we have a very affable and indefatigable Professor Mankwa, our vice chancellor. I would say community no wasem papa or new community no so won kitahunzi. Menyene in Komo Ibiara or concern about the university obotum wabwa ipakono what the requisite qualification be abotum zabano he is ever ready to support inti oye ibia oye community or a part of Takwa. The university is part of the community. Abibia America say just last week and university and the chamber, one collaboration in the Chamber of Mines, AC, or Dan Kesa for one lecture halls, Yako Commission, just last week. For that my university. Inti Mamombo or Chamber of Mines, so Wabado, or Anamonta Wutu, was a Boa or University of Mines and Technology, but or part or integral part of Takwa community. I'm just there. If any concerns ma Yura or Derby, if he raises some of the concerns, but opede he has a quota. I think I will refer back and maybe consult the vice chancellor and know the quota, the quantum I will take. But minimum there, Abibia no wasn't there locally. Obey to admit a lot of people from Takwa. And it's Ambrose. Okay, so Ambrose said and common Akasentia, you say happy birthday. Watch your mass, Kumasi High School. You're from righteous, and then I would do Wawoda. It is a lady over child, the Amanabro, so cross super, already so count righteous Kumasi High School, baby. Obiano. Good morning and happy birthday. Minister Pacho, Apia Stadium, so you don't know. Or so chow. So you say me no. Oh Sanara.
Enye cheyo. Sa. Me nua prekope. It's not enye me nye che kwa.
No ne, wo nua o wa den papa.
Eti, arabe was your ministry to say.
Oh, nyame Adom.
So not many rastos didn't come out the journey so far. If I were my the good, the bad and the ugly, which tells at least there's a good factor there. So we want to build on the good factor, no? And then look at the challenges and how we can take it off. Challenges, I say, politicians, journalists, nananum, citizens, ya kabum, ana ye mining ya pretending that somebody else on that score, no, so what are some of the good things that you share sa kwantu we as say kwatia illegal mining no motimi aye
kobna se behwa illegal mining no ya da oye kanka wo bibiara wo to gold wo wiaza fa na nyina ha ye friend galamsey eko oye South Africa or friends Zamazama, even developed countries to the Australia or friend prospectors them illegal miners odu baby a onye sabia nkofo a wogu classroom keke na bia ka chen won fi classroom no quietly no oko
obi akọ
they are wielding guns or a life and death
the illegal mining business.
Yes, life and death are some na yer kan or your man for why you're ready to shoot and kill even in South Africa recently soup be okoye in one of their television stations one minister ohwe oye asudafo na police one often police minister osi in the soup no one interview no osi besia kura obashe nechi okita itur she was ready to shoot. That is what we're talking about. Onye just gofubia ekwaya na no or a difficult thing to fight. Now, I agree that it's a cartel. Or a whole community. Our accept there. This is what we are embarking on. My opinion. Or today, Sabia, we do community ma one pay. The community will get the arrested. But
when the community accepts
it, the yempe the me but when the community accepts it, it is part and parcel of their lives.
Fighting becomes difficult.
Oh, yeah, very, very difficult on mine. Now, anamona year two maminjina we few do namombo operation hall 2 or yeah soldier for no so about papa wo mboa wada aboa yeru ani tu na no do mboa wada aboa wo dam fight mu they constantly even weekend they were on the field. Now as a ministry na mona ye de ban kwa ne befa da ye ni sunu ne nyu abeto nti ya ye bibi of friend river wardens they won't show presence along the river banks.
River wardens
what share yellow
nti mo so mo create to say opposite for community police mo create
river wardens.
Okay.
Nti won they show presence na se wo hu bibia na we inform the military the afemi nkofo ya mining na military no use e be a helicopter and whatever means I mean to discuss wa ha na chede we zoom into area kra where the illegal mining no ono na recently yamina Adom one intervention operation hall 2 na river wardens part or session of Ankobra we tum watso stability level na ayeyi kakra ono mpo onye yi kra wa ayeyi kakra nti yanyi media fo koho yanyi nananom binom yanyi DCs ni bi koho kohwe dem no betum motivate and yes we can do it. Say a session of Ankobra to Matwa, then the rest of Ankobra and or day to me mani nyina na nwato. Yeah, cause Yamina Adom media free or Kobe or the one reporter Lord also was there. When you now in Suno Musa Ninuato, be I happy. Any woman crowd now or a chonamo Sunday or Benaponso. No, say Abanayazi. Nancy Namu Nibi. Nsunsunin you sha se dore te no nam na sha sereba to obesra band there yintum sustain and the key word is sustainability the botum na ya hwema nsuno ni nwato nti onye mo wade Erastus or my background information as to how the difficulty the fight against illegal mining is. It is indeed difficult, but make the effort you put in place, you know, or your regularization effort.
So, if you are just watching a Badwam now, South Africa, area Duka, everyone is central for a core pro bono. Oh no, you know, who Lembele DC is central for other relevant personalities. I think the Omoka ensure can was
yes.
and home common.
Yes, them pepe. A whole friend or Sauma.
If it's a
Sauma. Sauma. Nti or community or no home of an cobra narankasa. Okay. Nti hon na friend and cobra. Okay. Nti them and cobra river. Nti sanka nsuni ya dama enka kwabna enka yenwa beje as a country. And them ye pede ye koda na river wardens no. Yema all the river bodies no permanently we put them there. Obo transunu hu nyina from the source to the end. Na ya security post advantage pointer. Sabia obotum we change wo ho binum ba anopa binum bewiaber binum benyumber obotum ama sabia obi ba nyipa ba ba ya man no ho no hu obi gina ho a nyipa ko no botum report ma police for na soldier for aba ho a nyipa ko no obahwe ne yi obadwe ho ebiebien ansa na oba ba ye nti oya na monto a megizi de botum no waboa ma yensu no nenyu ato but apart from that obehia so part the community na so beja atum de yensu ne embo ho ban because kwabna ma yenya nintinye de most of the key stakeholders in the various communities waje jentoboampo breaking day waje tofi wana okaye ejuma illegal mining waje tofi wana waye galamse wonsum yes oyare but you see yentum na omba ne as a country yebeka de yen yefunu nti yen say ye dachi ensu nyina awewa where will we be
monkomodie mu no you ma chire mu ye amiate ase se sa anamo na yetu a ene mra ne hihye ebo ebra no esusuanso ebetimi aba yen oman nim for enini ana because clearly as a go on yetu ide nim se sika ne yetu ebia mo so mo problem all this while it's not some person must stop what they need to know. Some of my futu ni additional akwankyere said this is the end result. We've not paid attention to the educational bit of it. And what's them to say?
What's American who here? Until me as a ministry there, ye could engage communities. Until me to Missouri na yako bit there Prisia Huni Valley. Na baby mining, illegal mining or ye predominant no. Ni akishia omano. Nyana nanom and all the key stakeholders in the community, assembly members, ni yeshia, gitahuzi. The community engagement has been key. They yenenam niyako one community to the other. They be churchrim what I say. They yes, where they ye boy yensu no bana, boy yensu no bana or ye community no. So community ni jitum there. Ye makwan me biara nye mining in a river body along the streams na along the river body say no say ma ye tum ye gina ye nanda nobody can do that and as a ministry no ye ma license there obi nko ye mining e wonsum no nti say hu de be ye mining wonsum a in the first place or illegal na community na so njintum there will make arrest to those effect this is there the ma oboboa
now young go through some of the challenges kakra ne and also anu adru the unity can pan say na yenya akukudru ma wona legally insase ne cry omodiana yenya akukudru ekọ omuhiem ama dia na efiri mu ba no etututo abototo and all the how do we gather that courage say oman hini gold mine aban mu ni kuruma ni nyina nim say we esi wo nyende anasa afrika na eba you go through all the needed process. Yeah, boy, share a gold mine, a legal no. Na Thomas and Sonny are not Chuaba, as a softening in Grantene, a pickers, idiomachi. No more assassin your mother. How do we do it?
A Omani say, Yerika, mining or de Tassie. I had a man, it's been a can try,
which untiasia
and Tassa say. If you whole feel the assassin and an assassin. A band zama a company, the on mine. Assassin so what catch and the woman and what catch and nana Quisando assassin.
The Danny team.
I come to them. Onyejuma. Into what do I do? Or them so and Amoko. Sunday, then an anumna and then an Quisando na work canarano. You do I mine in Ibi. Because I started about 200 years ago. No one mine of generation to the other generation. a ono so abato nti on tase da ono so no mine bi onye yi nti baamis oboko oho ono so yim do oroko no na asase do no wa friend no dom aka ho no wa ko na very difficult situation no Sunday ode yet aso so there mining no na mbra wo Ghana ha na kire there egudu o wasase ni mu no ya bandia
epie wo fie kra ya bandia
o wo dem kra wo bedroom kra ya bandia na dam ntase ni nyambai there asase no yes na nanom dia na mmom egudi biara owom biara ya band na oye nhihye so a Ghana nyina na ya tase na ya yedam nhihye na ya yenkrata ye za to ho de egudi a owa asase ni mu no oya bandia nti sa bandia no na ban na odo ye nhihye no hwe kwana e be fado a ye be ye boto a odi mfaso ba ma communities no odi mfaso odi adwuma abre community no nti na oya mpenpi no yenyi community company citizen koma ye ka kire ho de won hwe de local content obey adwuma local content no she de ye bo hwe de community na ye adwuma catchment areas na ye adwuma ho no e be fa brand ni we adwuma because if they are part of the company oya difficult there community na animofo no so obeba no obey illegal mining
but some me am Chrome Newmont continues to have that challenge. It cannot be automatic say chin it's as a be mining it's reasonable and it's fair. See a be engaged but community to the show team say say okay ejando as dia it will now about to say we Newmont to show your mine you yenkwa necessary biada we engage. That's another
fantastic submission.
Yes.
Or more the yet say the a company today be a Newmont won't to fa hafufu nyina.
Yeah.
But oya na assumption in there once a company na ban odo bi an yedwuma ho say nipa no e bia skill a wo hwehwe no pono na dam skill no nipa kro no nyibi so still also one for bia na oya ateti a yenyan de oh honorable ya te there company wo fankrofo na me say na takwa companies they bia wo fankrofo there say why ma but interestingly omahine mining companies large scale and companies akasa or Ghana what do amount for do our for one 30,000 people employees no offer one small scale mining sector no or so sen or large scale small scale mining minyo kase wa for 1 million engage 1 million people
1 million
people
yes.
Hey, you space now.
I want to be.
Listen,
I want to be sure.
Companies akesa wo Ghana.
The large scale mining.
Large scale to the Go Fields, to the Newmont, to the Anglo Gold, Sankofa na mokeka ho. E kan wonyina boma nipa dodo a wa fa hon. 30,000. Whereas small scale mining no. For one small scale mining now or 1 million Ghanaians. Into onye industry kakaba na yaka wansa.
Oh, we baby out here okaze.
Facts and figures na meze mo no. And indirectly no. Per the UN policy and directive. It's impacting on not less than nipa could be impact on no less than 4 people. Into 1 million direct, 4. Into multiply by 4 million.
You know the okay can say more.
And she said, add in part, 5 million direct to 5
Ghana
million.
For in the mining sector alone.
In the mining sector alone.
Okay, so on this note, young companies what we cut up so also challenging as they do that to what's it. You come by a bar, you commodity do now why you come here. Well, Yasaba, the Munya Masia, to common one say Deputy Minister, Lands and Natural Resources, Mireku Duka, and Education Common. We've gone through the good aspect of it. We want to walk through the challenges. Then, through the ministry to do a prescription. First challenge, I can't want them, which is one the big mining companies, legal ones now. A year. Tumi amo so betimi aye adwuma legally no ye o mining for so no ye ntia se no de bia da na ya na esronko ye ko mo hiem na akɔfa tututuo na sojafoɔ bɛkyerɛ ɔmo na ɔmo kasa na ayɛsɛ ɔmo sisi yɛyɛ ɛte asase so ana obi bɛpagya mu nneɛma akɔ all these things. So case study one yɛde saa tumi ne mu obi a wonni ho kwan sɛ wokɔ saa hyee no tete aseɛ wokɔma wato mmara ɛho susuaso ne mmara na obɛdi yɛkɔ number 2 so number 2 ne sɛ nananom so feel sɛ yɛyi ɔma firi saa akwantuo wei yɛde kutia illegal mining no opinion leaders ni bi no so ɔbɔ potem ne nkura so sɛ wɔn nim deɛ ɛne kuro ɔmo firi so no sɛ ɔmo si nim abakɔsɛm ɛne sɛ ɔmo si etumi wɔ ɛyɛ kuro ma no so no aban ntimi ntina sɛbe nkran ɛnhyehyɛ mmara ɛmma ɛmfa mbɛhwɛ wɔn so they feel that they are not a part of the whole process. Nti ne yɛsɛ ne aban na ɔno na ɔpɛ na ɔyɛ ho asɛm is ɛno so bɛka ho asɛm sɛ
kɔbena sɛ ɛbɔhwɛ a yɛbɛyi as a ministry led by Samuel Ejinapo. First thing na yɛyɛ dialogue yɛhyia nananom and important people are all the communities nationwide onye yɛn fa nationwide odu baby kura no ɔte kokoso asante hene olidi ɔyɛ one of the processes nti ye kodo so ada be engage all the communities and ahemfo na kwamna da madwuma se nya akukudura into me lead you can't lead it
this job
I'm telling you se nya akukudur na nyame nka ho a onye easy because the pressure and America there a whole community no accept there this is what we want to do onye adibia won wo hu there say be illegal one will feel
this
there
is what we've been doing
it's been part of their activities all these years inti oma no kono oyeden so ya da what ase there illegal honest on for na one wonyim da za wo ye nine wasase na wo tu nti even at the ban cries that ban mesiafo kra wo tonade ogom no feel there wa ma won to honade nti obey naked no why demonstration yes the obo say yes a ban ba obey naked no why demonstration nti intase no is not complete there ebia ya yen hihye na ya adwene ye there sebia nkofu bi wonyim there wata ase there wo illegal activities brana beche wondo se benye baby a obi all complainer na chere we invade ni koko no feel there was say na the farm na nyipa ko na be complain otherwise ne the whole community no nyipa na oko to gold no onya gold no no fa kroma yesho ono obedu krom ho no da nyipa no ono owo block done or influence or a lot of people including the leaders of the community nti na America there ekono wonderful nanso no with determination and yen nyina ya adwene bokọ bankrum no we can do a lot of things nti na ya ye there no the ban is unnecessary more important is to regularize the sector yebohwede yeboto yebo nya ye hihye ye oboboa nti na ye introduce bibi of community mining sisi a menyo ka say one of the community mining was send a message there every day one fan crop for 4,000 at the concession.
In fact, one Emmanuel Kwam was sending me messages here. Omahene, good morning. Please, the number the minister is quoting is even smaller. We are more than 1 million. That is why we have always been saying government must take good care with this industry.
Yes.
More than 1 million.
I agree with him. Nti ehwa menyua was small scale mining no papa. Minister nenyua wo ho because me feel the oil industry kwabena se eja ne damara. No sunsu ando obaba money mu we can control. Nti obehia de yenyua bokọ ho ne ya ye ne ye. Nti how do we do it? On na mampanyin boema ya to mercury free machine. Dem yenso be meet them in a matter convention. The use of mercury in the system because all to go do no watch mercury no what the mercury say your assassin nti mercury no poisonous chemical no men kwa na be fa do be ye free ya na brabom onenye the mercury free machine ono so ye checha ma or yeah small scale mine.
But in name, Emmanuel Bois Anopay, I don't know, won't set up a media team purposely to educate them on matter because you media people are not helping the Galamsey discussion. My question is, why are the experts in mining not talking? Please, the media don't understand the whole issue and making things difficult for the expert to talk. This is Wasaman small scale mining chairman also.
You see, most of the people now work for mining. What's it? What's it? Sabe, banchi. You to banchi. Fiasasi ma. Now for camera, kusi baby away to banchi no. But as I said, then that is the negative aspect of mining. Na yeka. But amazing missing more home kase ni nyensum. The yenina ebe fi nsunu mu accept this. Na small scale miners here working. Emmanuel na Adom. Bia mbo de bia be fi nsunu mu. Na ya ma yensu na nwato. Ma Dema Bani is not army. I'm not against mining because I represent miners in parliament. And I always say it. Ma me pede ye ni de ye be responsible mining. That is my challenge. The ye responsible mining. Every Ghanaian de ye bohwe na ye yi or hawa ye wom ye nsunu mu no ze. It must be a no-go area for any miner there. You sue ye twe ye ho free nsunu mu. Na ye hwe kwan ebe fada ye nyina ebe boa. Mfi so ma ye share big companies, you know, or yeah, large scale concessions. You know. Parliament, you're at fault. The industry, you know, most sorts, you know, if you are a market, you know, could raise car, not that be or capital intensive. So being a concessioner, a large scale concessioner, or there be on our list. Nature there and coffee in your shares, nature there, we too much abaye, Nijuma. Until you are not pay. Concessioner obotum woman long life long life nature there concession be 30 years 50 years no exploration pun when you be aka ho nti oya waji asase ne kese pa nti nipa ana one company no waji asase a ebia otum cover an area of we find there 1/4 of Accra. Wow. Obandama or difficult for another community and another group also to get access to mine. Nti on no ya na evasion aba no access because assassin nyina are occupied. Assassin so bi meka ho. Yeah. Nti ya appeal humbly ya mining companies ya there. Ubunya a session of their concession or their small scale and our community mining. Then we to engage a lot of people. Nka ube invade you concession. Once when you baby our mine. Into oyana mona onu yeri to vigorously. The nye companies in business common what I say. They will be seed of some part of their concessions. What they are small scale money. And the man also there are some dre baba. Sunday in parliament. You to me approve about 600-700 square kilometers. Now proven it, can you imagine 700 square kilometers? Well, and now sabi yenkrasi na so obi nipa koro occupy.
You take over.
Inti obandama ya appeal there. Though also so as a big company no. Also be here there. Obotum we nya dam concession no. Now we to more the appeal to the world. This is an investment. Once
you look at the bigger one, do you take particular care of those with the intent of small scale? How do you look at it? Because they be asked, "Yeah, check a scene and that's it. But that's what I'm saying that kakraka Nemo Yankee to also let me engage a lot of people to be part of the process. Then I'm where am I?
Yes, ono what situation. Until you try to engage one. You try to yam water assist today. So once warrior or the way in legal or they will follow the needed rudiments of the mining practices. the work there and amona wool to and amona obobwa because yen as a government no ye pere ownership maybe na area some journal can be for ownership so the echo South Africa for example mining companies no hono or ye South Africa for now was they are owned by the indigenous of South Africa.
The mining companies,
the big mining companies. Inti gold no wotu no okaho, mfaso no okaho. Inti ya yekado we used to gold wotu me develop Johannesburg, Cape Town and all that because one mining companies akese no oho no South Africa for now was Inti se yebetu yenya impact ankasa did the Ghana for so
they're part of the process.
Absolutely. Inti the Ghana for no yenso your own concessions.
But it's expensive.
Very expensive. But how did they do it? One yenyiba. Now one way to my here Ghana for no into me bia. Inti na entum so sabe Rome was not built in a day. Into me sha sekese. Inti at the small scale. Na nyipa na experience. We do middle tier. We be large scale. Now out of that na ya build the ownership structure in Ghana. Obandama obobwa ma mfasona yehwe no the tangibles are ibotumi enya out of the production of gold no yehu obi abohu there yes mining no and gold na nya mezache o money no yetumi enya ho mfaso na the pempi so ya ye kan the upstream ye kan the downstream part of sikana ba no what do we use it for pen bi na meka metaka the need for us to ring fence the revenue stream of gold. The Sikano fee gold umbano. Young Fanko can consolidated fund. I'm proud of the Minerals Income Investment Fund. Yet way no. Them are able to track the dividends and royalties mining companies into that fund. To into that fund how many affiso mfie bi mfie basa mfie enumechi ahene yenya into that fund na baze na ezaye ono mbobo ahen there as a man as a country ya hwe there mfaso ni yenya fi gold no mu na se de koka consolidated banche ka ho ntroba ka ho bibia ka ho how do we assess
but you agree say illegal mining is still ongoing?
Absolutely. Or a challenge, it's a bane. Menkade all is well. No. It is not a ban cutting to me yet. Sabi, Biru Kodo Ashanti region, Biru Kodo Western region, Biru Kodo baby. But the challenge is, Eben Kwan eba fada ye nebe jatum de. Let's fight this canker together. And Ibiasu you are many by there. We are not making efforts. Yeah, a queen today. Meti muhume busunya sometime. Buhuna menenam krasi menenam sum with the military, making sure they sanitize the industry.
Regularize the industry. Agreeing to the fact that illegal mining is still ongoing. But myth now it should to dimba up and maybe no.
Yeah.
What again?
Anope daily graphic.
Yeah.
Front page.
What's the daily graphic? Okay.
MIF will grow an asset from 1.7
1.7 billion to 3.2 billion in 12 months.
Yes. Or your machine be a or your mechanism be a ibutum na yede add lot of value to our mining industry. Now I'm happy there. Dam sikana gold companies retire into their coffers. We used to be not what I build Ghanaians into we invest in companies obotum na wam jina no wetum afa Ghana for no wetum build that ownership structure na yereka no obotum so we develop in so many aspects of infrastructural architecture nti oye adibia obwa say wetua royalties bia oba na obotoma kwabna yetum ye the track yenye sikana ono na ejape bado some time ago there yes ebinum say yen raise the sikana within yen fanye development business okay sikana yenya no yen leverage on the sika yen gina do yen fanye sika more yen fanye development these are the nyama yaya oboboa. Now they are investing in companies. They are investing in salt. They are investing in gold mining and other, even lithium. Also so butu mo aboa na sika na waka Ghana ha. Inti in America there or machinery oboa. If you so beyond that, another key area so or the meka in the corporate social responsibilities are these mining companies will support in our development struggle. The actual Takwa, for example, Goldfields. I mean, I must commend them. They have been very supportive in the corporate social responsibility structure. Actually, they've been supporting in hospitals, they've been supporting in schools, roads, sports, all fields. And these are things that this is the other year now mining on your positive impact, the lives of the people of this country.
I see. Okay, so by way of letting you know, throwing more light on myth, the company which invests the state share of mineral royalties in viable assets is ready to invest in lithium, just like you said, and salt of up to $60 million in a small-scale mining incubation support program of up to $60 million this year. Myth also plans to develop gold-backed exchange-traded fund with the support of the Ghana Stock Exchange to be traded on the Ghanaian Best and possibly the Johannesburg and Toronto Stock Exchanges. Wow. So what do you call
Nancy Anna, me free Cape Town Urba on Ndaba, African Mining in Ndaba. The also a conference, all the mining experts will share, will discuss the way forward. Now, them are small scale mining incubation project. There, you might be able to Ghana for. The Kwabna or Mahine concession or a small scale, or Mahine concession, Yanto machines, mano.
Okay.
On incubation, Yanto machines, mano. Yan set up no concession, mano. Because Mr. or a capital intensive, no boy or Mahine Nibi. As a sector, no, yan set no concession into Mahine, BBR or mining. Into then, or Mahine go to Macado, then I can employ about 2,000 people. And say, Sikana or the Abuano, Sikana other mining companies, you three the Abuo Mano, will use Sikano so that build the Ghanaians. Until now, no, on my hene are our small scale mining, no. CCR on another dome about 2,000 extra people, no. We to win them support from government. Until Oyada or Papa.
I see. Now this is where issues now. How do we put a certain level of fear in politicians, in journalists, in Nananom, in opinion leaders on this matter of illegal mining? Because utieti muana ubohuna kwamna santisha echiri no we need to say the onim there utieti wa was that or himpon we echiri. It's like the other time otiko koso kan I say na wa asema mutu amokaka ke mu amupotem no mfichiri ana esisi nti o yet say the onima was onya papa say otina ko. So how do we put off these people away? We are MPO, we are politicians, whether in power, in opposition, we are journalists of influence or whatever. Do the positives, not the negatives. Why?
You come to terms with the realities. They be a mine and 1 year with them. Why an abuano? Miners or Ghana when you be on concession. If you are mining, they know. If you are not mining, they know.
They know.
Make a Marampa meti odu baby was a galam say yeah. To make catch on the baby I'm concession one. Go and show it. Hey onya de na the kejina do. Sabia bin machines am kejama so went to mine wa. To why are you allowing Mireku to mine? As a Ghanaian, you have the responsibility. Mine one any dame or your open place. And more the yet are saying there. Nananom will understand. The security agencies will understand, assembly members will understand, MPs will understand, Obia will understand that, yes, nobody is against mining. Eben kwane ye fadwa, ye mfichiri ha, ye constituency ha, ebe ma mining or kodo responsibly. See, America say, there is a complaint from Goldfields on my table. There's a place, I often am on trim. Badwam Mpensenpensemu underground was illegal miners were used to, and we are going to engage the community with the Goldfields one authorities, I think on Friday. It's a step you take there, you bobwa ma obema asomdriaba. Always, you know, say if there's no collaboration between the community is also actual letter brem there. Goldfields a blast ma or can what done or brahabo. And how do you even reconcile the two? Now there's an area you want to mine. You also complaining the same area and the Goldfields is also blasting, affecting structures and all that. These are a very difficult sector to manage, but we need to understand as Ghanaians. How do we mine responsibly? Or a key for all of us.
All right, so Rebecca could try about your last lap near Bruno on this matter of usage of champagne still ongoing. And the Erasmus Amir tells over 200 champagnes egu in Shuni Biso. I feel on also be corner problem. And then how do we also get this issue of entry? We'll be near 2 micro assassins, so how do we work it out and all those things? And we hear say Onyamiadom say any new sites crowd a Tiffy Mantem and all those things. We'll come back and have a conversation around it. Well, but a lot of you want to have a conversation with the minister. Minister, only take it over more takwansua school behind him. One minister number na school placement in the Lands and Natural Resources Minister. It you pay a natural resources school be aqua, a beer, a no crown or modern bo. And now special issues we are be health matters be. Now what media cause the basis stands now there. And your wife is a the number but the number no the opposite to drive 0244 2626 Watch your like a woman. But this is a double gizi. Hey, who did I Eti bakacho. Yeah, economic say. It is a commercial fine. Odoa. Isi edaso inya kwenya ba. Ekusi yensu so SS yensu no. How do we deal with that? But as I because no, mama announce because my fit my for 6B. 0302 211-701 equity 4. Let's be really specific on the conversation that we are having. Maybe school placement be as a minister. Wow. It is 0302 211-701 equity 4. Now champagne.
Yeah, come now a champagne na semno. Small scale miners association, for example. You want dinkita ho. O catch and the ministry ni yamfa brim isha wansa. Until we buy my brim ni wato. Yes, it is true. We have a lot of 200 closer, 200 champagne orecano, and weekend, even the military operation hall too, will change champagne and almost about 350.
Champagne?
Yes, 350. Inti, unko food ziruko. The other aspect of the year, only the importation of the champagne. Machine, otum wade nika. Wadinya mebru no nti nyipa no important business of the kwanyam ebru odema otana ma wana
the same machine here
ebru no on wadi nika no machine champagne engine or brand the Chinese for one engine machine bia meda otumpo
obi abaka so koye ebru me ba we any Benjamin Wiaza Benjamin Martin. Hello Ben Martin. Benjamin Martin. Unfortunately, Benjamin. Ima, apom say. Hello. Okay, so ono so yentenenka enti yenko mono so.
Enti
my enti ase champagne na ye ebru no. Enti bibi e bo ho keke no sa product no.
Or ye ne brand or ye engine. Wotum wodi en ma pi. Enti e kada stopper no bi so there me de koye mebru. Obi so ye de kobo e motor.
Ya won kat ye na for.
It's a very difficult area, but them BBR offer a situation room. Track all mining equipment and earth moving machines. It is a Sabia a wall excavator. Nas excavator and a becker chain there. The excavator they call concession A. Neighbor when move excavator to concession B. it will be deactivated automatically. Nti Minerals Commissioner, ye bibi dam situation room no another or me find the engine room. Our tracking of all earth moving machines. And so there's a register all excavators.
You can be Tifimra Same to say. Hello, Sammy. Hello, Sammy.
Am I in a marching?
Yeah, mu. Apom to say.
Obadi Adom, me hoye, me mintia wano pay na me mo abaso. Na mikusu weka mapa lobia ma wo honorable Bra Champion se obe ni PRO. Enra vet ya yekwe no me dudi kwama
Hey.
Intimisi
Sammy, yanko
as se adwuma no.
Se yanko mekuduka illegal mining so.
Yo, illegal mining metia minister oto no metia metia na beduachi. Amahine illegal mining amahine me wogidi se adwuma we odi ato ho se obema Ghana nsu hoade ate na brem ni nyina yenkomra nyina edu ba bi kura na okura ho emobo me bi say we dey na akọ hospital ko check BP because we Ghana do akoma so na ni nyina so ye nuamu ahemfo said o man meba mu studio ha na manye mu ama me permission me nto me dem be wura ho intifa kase na ya ahemfo ye best minister so ese bi bebre oka nanso anamon otu na ye memu ye den ye chiri ni pa bi ti so kuso ka se sanfan ye goje enye na nka menteda because me so ma yam goje pen inti be me wa pa so be ka chiri mo se sanfan ye goje me wa inti mesre nada o tradi ma me ma yam goje pen o ma yin mani so na me 370 82 92 82 o kombre ye ko Lagos ba be yam goje because wo boy yam ba goje na me yam inti be me wa so be ka chiri sanfan pa wadi yam goje wadi mesre on komuye na se na wo bre no me lobia ma so benya PRO koko board wa
so me da se Gilbert o kase free can I say Gilbert if I don't kase free. Hello Gilbert. Hello Gilbert.
Hello, yeah.
Mache, ma onde so kakraba e.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning Gilbert.
Morning. Hello.
Patrick.
Yeah, me kaza free takwa.
Yetiu.
Ana pay yadamase ewo jumedi a ekoso. Na yada honorable George Mekuduka say obon homodin papa na emom ye besre Ghana man nyinara. Moma ye nyina ye ntai nechi. Asan say juma na enye easy. Honorable George Mekuduka ebe deputy minister in charge of mines in innovative ideas and aba sector ho. Ene enim se galamse adwuma sha se anyande. This year na wa adding green lights. A oboa se obeka ebe no nti ye besre. Moma ye ntai nechi deni nyina na Ghana embe kra behwe.
Okay, so Gilbert yeah that's it. Alote Jacob say Mireku has really impressed me so much. She's always on radio and TV stations to explain the menace of Galamsey. So that's from Alote Jacobs. Yanko takwa biem. Eric no who yana. Yao. Takwa, correct? Okase free takwa.
Me pacha me kase free bogoso.
Bogoso. Okay, yeah, bogoso. Okay.
Yeah, premier ya wusu. Mami chia Honorable Mekudu papa. Me de me bono mbrane wasa MP. Oni bia wusu kra o kasai. Omahene wonim sa chamfa ye de nyoma bebre ba nipa na pie na ennim. Emi chamfa ye de washing bay o.
Washing bay.
E bia nipa kono kan no nim say yetumi de nyoma pie. Honorable Mekudu pa industry mu no. Wama the mines bia
your brand.
Wow.
The community just say bia so we are familiar with Prestia very areas. What say Asenkegwa Body no money Amenfi East a yeko no na. And only yen ye economy ye you. And it's honorable buana say ye regularizing na ye de ye bona ba for the tiny chi. Ye be say Ghana mpanimfo ina mfa omo ho adom ne mfa ntaw na bo Mekudu kachi na dwumadi odi sini so oye no obetumi aye no aye ni na ensuo no so ati ne nya kwan aye adwuma wo say.
Okay, so that's it. Ye be call is it baby any yeah Isaac Obebieni, Isaac Mache.
Yeah, Amahine. And a pair of Midawasi. Ujuma Dina, Ama Maniajipa. Ebe down about minutes and saucy, but a person own chin and never baby. Now has to be a mining many chrono SAD. There is no small scale mining concession in home where your mind say you're say. At the same time, they are almost blasted every dying essay Yenema. If you get your time cry, they even shot one guy. Kebi Omakoto waste Nagununa.
That's some of course for mining industry.
Into yesterday, looking in all the way.
Yeah, that's it. Yanchi Isaac also free Bogoso. Hey, and the honorable Duke of the materials who mining for with them. You hold the body for the magazine. Bogoso for what to say. Bogoso for what to say.
Hello.
Patrick, you. Oh, unfortunately, Mama Kwana Fibre na carry to be vending call, but Bibiani the other day, ain't even blasted by any Ubia or your mining one. And what's him to say?
It's a Nasa Moricana, naturally, Bibiani mines or Hono, or your last skill. Na oya blast na oka Adom no nti oya mama me officer me sure that me ka say officer or horite nti oya no akoya assessment no da brehen if you so would no ka there nka one seed off part of one concession bi on fa ma one na on fa nye ebia small scale mining na community mining nti ono nyi asama na America no there in bra aso most of the mining companies they be seed of part at least kakra near them community obadama community no engage a lot of people are also what you juma want to be invade concession also in your peace of mind na that you juma beyond that the brand corona or also or champagne in America the champagne or your engine or in or so many types
also about but I don't know say what colleague was according to you now
a classroom will be when you're 70 years or because
who do you mean
absolutely into a American chain there champagne on your table no
be wanted obviously Jimmy washing big
bibia mr or a brand or a big company being a brand of champagne or your engines into oh
we need education
what to what the year but what bought to Sunuda no friend is champagne because of the engine. Inti ama say be import no there but na stopper oyensen. But we are developing mechanism able to as I regulate them importation of champagne. See you to me cutting off from the importation. Obama juma no that so because no bonus so kwabna onyeden. Inti no for the miners. Inti no show na ye pe no wakoye foforo. And I feel so one will mold them champagne. No, say champagne no mold we are on fan call a taxi or the cotton sunudo. Until one will mold them machine say, oh, community will mold that. Na Emma security agencies was water or when will be stop one, not watch while arrest one. And my own fan cotton sunudo. Until a day the stopping point, be able to me a stop one, but or a difficult industry to regularize. Minka debia me MPP ni and yenyanofo and NDC baba I mean NDC wa aba power da yehu how they fought mining and galam say we are in power you feel that yeni nyina na able to me use junta regime you through here arresting here yes let's regularize it let's engage yenyi su kwana ebe fado a yenyi nkrofu bezinkita ho if say you is nkita ho na reche ho no so waso ayedin they remove one out of the river bodies you know yen hwede ye be create bi of community mining because nipa no say onya adwuma anya on no be involved no in the illegalities.
So how far with Asante Mampong prospecting mining of them?
Asante Mampong nananom adaroma wakade ohoze wo makwan ma obi anya mining na ma yenyuon nhihye yenyuon na yenyi de yebokoda na yenyuon na engagement na yahwe kwana
ade nananum sura na
oh emde nsu a owo ho no wompede nsu no wobese no obviously
so mining cannot guarantee the sanity of our water.
Obotum guarantee when you are following all the protocols but baby obi na so ayedin Nti no therefore no my experience when yenti oya na osuro but Emma assurance that they are not going to mine any close or closer to any river body, then they will understand. Nti se beka ya oti ahemfo na sofo no bi so the way makwan mo so even if it is lithium, if it is iron ore, or makwan more mine, but honestly, engagement, education in here for people to understand the difference between the mining and illegal mining. Okay, so education here now, and you also need to consciously pick up journalists to walk them through these educational sessions because Bribia done as Swaford almost all the time because you have prayed for the past 3 months. I said, I will not die. And you're from so. That's what I say. Kakanini de Kaya too. Now, team. That's a problem. What Roma? As mining. Yeah. So I heard him if you quite. Mama said, draw for so additional and entity. Very important. Mining. Very, very important. To Mopa. Kobna a member one on top. The permission of my minister. Yeah. They're able to organize all the media houses. Na ya run one through. Exactly. It's very important. One, you be brief one. Yeah. Two, na ya church and say no questions bisa. Obisa. Na consciously no so once I'm back on field trips. Yeah. Once we be education because other district FM stations and other TV stations say you know you're sure na education. Exactly. It will help everybody. Exactly. Well, Mama, in question that was a Jebre and yenda deputy minister. In fact, I was very hopeful that substantive answer na baya banawi. Say your ministers need be no more bit media and say siabo. So I collaborate with the minister, our Brazil no credim. Aye adwuma sefata aboa ministry no. Eno achi kura no so no wasa aboa ama the constituency so enya the impact of a positive mining. You can take out a name for Mireku Duka, Bribia Damika. Any opportunity that obi biara obenya to serve your people. As I say, oh ye free akoma a papem. Akoma ebetimi di mpuntu abre o mine no. Abre wan kasa party awo, abre wa busuya na abre wa dofo. That's what we are all looking out for. Because governors na so question na say enipa dodo na ankasa omo de omo re ni omo tumi ahye omo no. Obetimi ama omo hu se ampa omo page omo every a ko b ebasa na enida so kese pa eho edema o mine mu for no. On this note, minister onsema o de betwa to insuo no aye pressure ni beti warden for ahodo nso amati omo futu omo de be mo omo kwaye mu nso amenkotu Erastus asem kwaye mu nso mu ebinimu didimu no. The word is omo didi kwaye nim. It was so nice to was it didimu so omo didimu na so ye didi kwaye nim. Kobna mama catch Ghana for you de wonya regime wo dam abanimu. Sande ye determine de ye bohwe na mining no why mfaso ya magana. Ye determine de ye boboa madodo na so enye djuma why. Ye determine de oye anamona ye to gold mu no. Obeye anamona dache manfu bezi hu dase. Ehwe CCR menyo kase education record dodo nara yereboa the mining obeye krabohwe in Africa. Ghana be krabohwe in Africa. Efi so yebokoda de yebe engagement. Yenyin kofo bezi nkita ho. Dem na music kan no ye track all earth moving machines. Excavators ina yeze bibi robo ho a bibi eboko so ye illegal yebotum na ye regulate. Nti ye whole gamut of measures are you put in place this is the oboboa mining industry no with mu moa na ebe hia the bia all hands must be on deck you onye MPP asem no onye NDC asem ibia mbaje fans biara mfaso biara nyedo onye fans je oyaza ode nyina yetase na nyina ya adwene boa ma mining no oye industry ode mfaso ode bebre Ghana for. On this note, Minister Deputy Midasi P is also Jebre na also about my additionally also Jebre washe. I keep telling you, we appreciate you so much. Cause we a Adom TV. Onyame Adom echna ebe se shia near the Ghana Hong Kong and to be positive and be patriotic. I memfa awerɛkyekye nsɛm ma abrante achu na nebusua de nyame na onyi moye odu bebi a oyezen odu bebi a ntase na nyina mu no nso bible me yetase de yemfa ndase mfa ma nyame za kwa nyina mu no na awerɛkyekyerefo nyame ono bohwe na waje ebusua nti no mabusua hyezen na Ghana nyina na yahwere azekesa otedam nyame emfa ne kransi yi.
Right, Tuesday, thank you for watching, and the 21st of February. Be positive. Bye-bye.